Hi, this is Chris Descato, VP of Sales for Salamander Designs, and we're here at InfoComm 25, and we're showing off our niche. So this is a piece that we're going to have for 65, scaling up to dual 85s. It allows you to basically install a wall niche, right, without having to actually do any wall construction, right? So this is completely just wall anchored, right? So there's no wall reinforcement needed like lots of our products. Down here, this is a lift-off panel. Now, if this had doors, it'd have 3 doors, right? So this has 3 sections with 2 RUs of vertical racking down here. And then there's space to run all your wires up past this right into the display and also into the camera as well. Now, this lift-off panel happens to be a material, a fabric, but it could also be a laminate, could be a hardwood veneer, or even something like an executive finish like a leather as well. So we'll have different finishes for the surround, for the lift-off panel, and also for this backing as well. And again, it'll be available up to dual 85s. If you want to know more, go to salamandercommercial.com.